Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So keeping Perplexity AI updated ensures you get the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to update Perplexity AI on any device effectively. So first thing first, check if you are using app or browser. So Perplexity works on mobile app or web browser. Okay, so updates method depends on this. Updates on iPhone, for example, open App Store, search Perplexity AI and tap Updates if available. So iOS updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Updates on Android, for example, open Google Play Store, search Perplexity AI and tap Updates. So latest versions improve performance and features in Android too. Enable auto updates. So in App Store or Play Store, turn on auto updates. Okay, so this keeps app updated automatically, no manual work needed. You can also updates on desktop. So open your browser, go to perplexity.ai, refresh the page, okay, for example from here. Okay, so web version updates automatically, no install needed. Okay, you can also update desktop app if installed. So open the app, check settings, and then tap updates and install latest version. So some desktop apps updates automatically. Okay, check what's new. So visit change log or updates page, see new features, and Perplexity frequently releases updates with new tools and improvements. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.